Got a small outage here. I believe 12 customers are off. And what happened, a competitor, their contractors cut our feeder while running their feeder. So we're going to have to dig up a little bit of dirt so we can get enough room to cut in a new splice. And basically splice a small piece of cable, put 2 splices on both ends of the P3500, so that we can get these customers back up and rolling. So we're going to take one side, peel back the shielding, go ahead and core this side, do the same thing for the other side as well. Go ahead and get the dielectric off for the last little bit of semiconductor. Got the one splice on this side going on. Tighten things up. All right, so after we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to put a piece in the middle and get them back spliced so that we can restore our customer service. You know, this happened with a competitor. Their contractors, they've hit our feeder for like the millionth time. And so we've gotten a lot of practice splicing and digging and running temps. It gets old after a while, I will admit. So, and oddly enough, this competitor, this week, they when they were running their lines, they hit a gas line in this particular neighborhood. You know, it's funny because I was wondering, I said, man, things have really been quiet. They ain't hit nothing, they ain't cut nothing this week, and that's why they hit a gas line, and that's put a halt to their work. They ain't really been able to do much. They was all up on the news and everything. So I enjoyed my little vacation from our overbuilt competitors. It's been kind of nice. I've been able to do other aspects of maintenance. I didn't know you could get a chance to do some other stuff besides cut cable. But we got to do something this week anyway. So, yeah, we're going to get this piece spliced in the middle and heat shrink on both sides. Maybe not the greatest one, but but we got our customers back up. Ain't had no problems with the splice. So, hey, we keep on rocking and rolling. Let's go ahead and get that heat shrink on there. Bada boom, bada bing. So you go ahead and heat shrink for one side, then put the little piece of heat shrink in the middle, and then tighten things up, and then we heat shrink everything. Customers all happy. They got the service back. But it's annoying. I mean, I don't know if you've been through being overbuilt, but it's annoying to keep having to fix splice feeder all the time.